A classic during the holidays, a rich and colorful dish that in a bite will take us back to Bolshevik lands, even if its origins are mysterious and controversial. It's the Russian salad, let's make it together! I'll start peeling the potatoes. Then I cut them into small cubes of about half a centimeter. Obviously, for a home version you can be a bit less precise. I'll do the same with the carrot. And I can steam the veggies. Peas first. They'll cook in about 10 minutes. Then the potatoes that will need a few minutes less. They say that the inventor of this dish was the Belgian chef Lucien Olivier, who introduced to the Moscow banquets a pie made of meat, vegetables, mayonnaise, which inspired our Italian-Russian salad. I add the carrots and continue cooking for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I can cube the eggs, hard-boiled and peeled. Obviously, getting a perfect cube here is almost impossible, but in this way the yolk will become one with the seasoning. Meanwhile, the veggies are ready. I drain them in a bowl, add the eggs, season with salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and apple cider vinegar. This last ingredient is a bit arguable. Some don't put it at all, some replace it with wine vinegar. Pick the side you prefer. A stir, and I let it cool down completely. I can take care of the mayo. Let's put in a bowl yolks, salt, pepper, vinegar, and start blending it with a beater. Then I slowly add oil. Once the mayonnaise is well blended, I add the lemon juice. And voila! We're ready to add it to the veggies and turn it into a Russian salad. One stir. And now everything in the fridge to cool for an hour. And here is our Russian salad, a perfect cold appetizer and a side dish for the holidays that makes everyone happy. I'll link down below the photo recipe on Giallo Zafferano, where you can find doses, ingredients and the procedure explained step by step. If you like this recipe, don't forget to leave us a nice like, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. Of course, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel.
Buon appetito!